Hey, Joey Blue here, and I want to tell you about the CharIndex function inside of the SQL language. In some relational databases, this is called the substring or the Instring function, which helps you find out if there's a string within another string. So we're going to start with the employee table, and I want to operate on the employee name. So I want to see if there are what character that an R is within a name. So what we want to do is use what's called the CharIndex function. We want to put in the string that we're searching for, which I want to search and see if there's an R within the string. And then we want to put the column that we're operating on. So I want to look at the employee name. And so if we do this and execute it, you can see that some of these have an R in the name and some of them don't. So a 0 is returned if it doesn't. Let's go ahead and bring the employee name back so we can see what it's actually finding. So if we look at the employee name here, and we're looking for an R, you can see that it found it at the third character. So W is 1, A is 2, R is the third character. If we look here at Clark, it found it at the fourth character. So C is 1, L is 2, A is 3, R is the fourth character, and Miller, it found it all the way at the sixth character. So that's what the CharIndex does. It tells you at what character you find the R. Now let me do a little advanced topic for you just real quick. And what I want to do is combine this CharIndex with a substring. So we want to get every character after the R. So if we use the substring function with it, and so we say the expression, we want to look in the employee name column. We want to start at the character that is where the R is, and then we want to find one character after that, one character. So let's see what that does. And actually let's go with 2 characters because that's not doing a whole lot for us there. And so now you can see, well, these, like Smith doesn't have an R, so remember the index is 0. So it went and found the next character after 0, which is S. Here, the index is 3, so it found the third character plus the next character. And so down on Miller, there wasn't a character after it, so it just stopped at R. So that's an introduction to CharIndex and how you could use it with a substring within the SQL language.